Hi everyone, I hope that you're all having a wonderful day. So today I'm going to be showing you the paper squishies I made recently. So yeah, I'll just get to showing them. So these are the 3. So first I have this circle paper squishy, and I forgot to color some of them, so yeah. And then next I have this like magic squishy wand thing, and I used cotton balls for all 3 of them. And then this final lollipop squishy with brown and purple on each side. And that's all I made a few days ago. These are the 3. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Have an amazing day. Bye.